Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize an article on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After you have been logged in, if you wish to summarize any article, then you can directly click on the summarize text option, or you may also ask the command by typing it in within the box and then clicking on the send button. After you send your command, once you receive the response, you may simply paste in your article and then click on the send button to receive a summary of the article that you just sent. And once the response is finished, you may be able to use this by clicking on the copy button. You can also try switching your model to try regenerating your response. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to summarize any article using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.